In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage the Instagram chat folders. So when you open up Instagram, there's some chat and then there's some folders on top. I'm going to show you how you can just simply manage it. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Alright, without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can manage Instagram chat folders. Let's go. First of all, open up your Instagram app. Click on the airplane icon, which is the message icon. Alright, so now you open up your Instagram chat and just at the top left, below your name at the primary folder, so there's a name with arrow, just click on that, click on folders, so you can manage accordingly. You can click unread so that if I stop reading it, I can have a look. I can put it accordingly. Followers, story, replies if I want to, verify profile if I want to, business channel. So this is only a few kind of folders that you have. I don't find any way to add folders as of now, but at least you can manage it accordingly. So I just want to add unread into some of my folders. So I click save and then you can see here, primary, unread, request, general. So you can see request, if I general, I'm not so sure what to put inside here. I have unread. So if I click on here, I can see all the unread chats that I have. Alright. So it takes some time because I just created the folder, right? So give it some time. But yeah, so this is how you can manage the Instagram chat folders. There's only a few anyways, but it will make life easier a little bit if it is relevant to you. Hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.